Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about performance comparison of digital CW systems. In my previous videos, we have already discussed binary PSK, quadrature PSK, QAM, M-array PSK, binary FSK systems, bandwidth, or spectral densities, bit error rate, and geometrical representation and symbol durations already discussed in my previous videos. Now here performance comparison of the techniques. And first parameter is information is transmitted by changing in amplitude shift keying. Amplitude is changed. In binary phase shift keying, phase of the signal is changed. In quadrature phase shift keying, the phase signal phase of the carrier signal is changed. And in quadrature amplitude modulation, the amplitude and phase of the carrier signal is modulated, changed. And MRA PSK system, the phase of the carrier signal is changed. And binary FSK system, frequency of the carrier signal is changed in accordance with the incoming data sequence. So that is the first comparison, first performance of different digital modulation technique. And second comparison is expression for transmitted signal. In amplitude shift keying, the carrier signal is square root of 2ps into cos of omega ct. For binary symbol 1 is to be transmitted, and for binary symbol 0 is to be transmitted, the carrier signal equal to 0. In case of binary PSK system, the carrier signal expression is square root of 2ps into b of t into cos of omega ct. For binary signal 1 is to be transmitted, b of t is equal to 1, and binary signal 0 is to be transmitted, b of t is equal to minus 1. And next one is quadrature PSK. In quadrature PSK, the carrier signal expression or transmitted signal expression is square root of 2ps into cos of omega ct plus 2m plus 1 into pi by 4, where m is equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. In this equation, substitute different values of m is equal to 0, m is equal to 1, and m is equal to 2, and m is equal to 3. We get the resultant carrier signal expressions. M is equal to 0, substitute m is equal to 0, we get square root of 2ps cos of omega ct into pi by 4. For binary symbol 0, 0 is to be transmitted, and binary symbol sorry, that is the equation of the carrier signal. For binary symbol 1, 0 is to be transmitted, and for binary symbol 0 is to 0, 0 is to be transmitted, the carrier signal is having 3 pi by 4 radians. And by binary symbol 0, 1 is to be transmitted, and its carrier signal phase shift is pi by 4 radians. And binary symbol 1, 1 is to be transmitted, and its carrier signal phase angle is 7 pi by 4 radians. And next one is quadrature amplitude modulation. The transmitted signal expression of the quadrature amplitude modulation is k1 into square root of 0.2 ps cos of omega ct, where m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So there is a second comparison in different techniques. And third comparison is number of bits per symbol. In ASK, one bit is used. Transmits only one bit, that is binary bit 1 or binary bit 0. In binary PSK, binary FSK, it also transmitted by one bit, that is binary bit 1 and binary bit 0. In QPSK system, two bits are transmitted at a time. The two bits are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And QAM system, and M array PASK system, it will transmit capital N bits, and that is the number of bits per symbol in different modulation techniques. And next performance comparison is number of possible symbols or number of possible signals. So we know that the general expression of the number of possible symbols is capital M is equal 2 to the power of n. In case of ASK system, only one bit is transmitted, that is capital N is equal to 1. So in ASK system, two symbols are transmitted. The number of possible signals or number of possible symbols are 2. In binary PSK system and binary FSK system, only one bit is transmitted, that is capital N is equal to 1. Then the number of possible symbols are 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2 in binary PSK system, binary FSK system. And in quadrature phase shift keying, it will transmit 2 bits at a time, that is capital N is equal to 2. Then the number of possible symbols are M is equal to 2 square. 2 square is 4. And in QAM system, M array PSK system, N bits are transmitted, and there are different types of the QAM technique. That is, if 2 bits are transmitted, 4 QAM, and 8 bits are transmitted, 3 bits are transmitted, then it is known as 8 QAM system. 4 bits are transmitted, it is said to be 16 QAM system, like that. So now here in QAM and M array PAM system, M array PASK system, the number of possible signals are 2 to the power of n. Next performance comparison is detection method. In ASK system, binary PSK system, quadrature PSK system, quadrature amplitude modulation system, M array PSK system, it uses coherent modulation detection method. So whereas in binary FSK system, it uses non-coherent modulation technique. And the next performance comparison is Euclidean distance. In ASK system, the Euclidean distance between two signal points is square root of EB. In BPSK system and binary FSK system, the Euclidean distance between two points is between two symbols is 2 into square root of EB. And in QPSK system is also the Euclidean distance between two signal points is 2 into square root of EB. In quadrature amplitude modulation system, the Euclidean distance between two signal points is square root of 0.4 into ES. And M array PSK system, the Euclidean distance between two signal points is 2 into square root of ES. And next performance comparison is minimum bandwidth. In ASK system, binary PSK system, the bandwidth is 2 into FB. In QPSK system, the bandwidth is FB, and quadrature amplitude modulation and M array PSK system, the bandwidth is 2 FB by capital N, and binary FSK system, the bandwidth is 4 into FB. And last performance comparison is symbol duration. In case of ASK system, binary PSK system, binary FSK system, only one bit is transmitted at a time. So because of that, the symbol duration is equal to bit duration. T suffix S is the symbol duration, T suffix B is the bit duration. And in quadrature phase shift keying, 2 bits are transmitted. So because of that, the symbol duration is equal to 2 into TB. In QAM system and M array PSK system, it is used to transmit n number of the bits. So n number of the bits means there are different types of the number of bits per symbol. There are different classifications. That is 4 QAM, 8 QAM, 16 QAM, like that. Similarly in M array PSK also. So now here the symbol duration QAM and M array PSK system, the symbol duration is n into TB. So these are the performance comparisons for different digital modulation techniques.